These jacking rails from Accelatec are sold as a pairing to fit all S550 Mustangs. They're very easy installation using factory hardware, but in some cases the factory hardware might be missing, so Accelatec includes new hardware with them, and again, these can install right on the pinch weld, allowing you to jack up the car anywhere from the side. So if you're trying to change tires at the track on the GT500, it's tough to get to the front and back because of the additional belly pans, so the side's where to go. And again, you got this pinch weld here all along the side, but you really can't jack up in the middle here. You can use the front or back, but the jacking rail, you're gonna basically mount right up against the pinch weld here, and that will allow you to jack the car from anywhere on the side, making it much easier to change tires. The jacking rail is gonna mount to these two factory locations here, so we have to remove this bolt, and it's gonna mount to these two up here, so we have to remove these two bolts. Now again, you can actually use all the factory bolts and remove this one as well, but Accelatec includes hardware, so we're gonna use that. Now grab this applied hardware, put a little dab of Loctite on each one. Get everything started before you tighten anything down. Now, in some cars, you might have to trim the seams here a little bit if it does not fit flush. Basically, just hit that real quick, a razor blade, whatever, cut it down. In our case, actually, it's okay. Now we can put the back bolts in. Then repeat the process on the other side. The Accelatec low-profile jacking rails make an excellent modification for any S550 Mustang, because now jacking up the car from the side, you can hit anywhere in this spot and safely jack the car up. I will mention these are for jacking the car up. I do not suggest them for points for your jack stands, because they're too narrow. You want to actually spread the jack stands out further. But again, for jacking the car up, they're absolutely perfect. As far as installation goes, it'll honestly probably take you longer to get the car off the ground than it does do the installation, but give yourself about an hour or so, and you'll be back on the road in no time.